related. Now, let's start. So, my journey here didn't start big. I started working here last 2019 in UAE, here in UAE. And I worked as a cashier and also as a sales in Al Safir Hypermarket, Corfacan, Sharjah, UAE. That was 2019. As far as I remember, that was pandemic days. It really hit us, especially for the frontliners. You know what I mean? Cutting salary and all, and covering our face, like transparent all over our face, transparent cover in our cashier area, and also we're wearing gloves to protect ourselves because of the COVID that time. I want to let you know, guys, that was the very beginning of my journey here in UAE, and that really taught me patience, humility, hard work, and how to talk to people, and also how to stay grounded. And one more thing I wanna add on, that it fell down. So that company is Al Safir Hypermarket, and it was under Al Safir group of companies for the clothes or apparel. That's where it all started for me in Dubai, learning how to deal with people. And as I've discussed from my previous vlog, I learned to speak Arabic, especially numbers. All the numbers in Arabic I've learned. You can check out my previous vlog, but I don't know how to read Arabic. Only I know if you will gonna write the Arabic letters, Arabic words, you're gonna start from what do you call this? You're gonna start from right to left. I believe most of the countries were started writing from left to right. Want to add as well, guys, that before I came here in Dubai, when I was applying in Philippines, in the capital of the Philippines, which is in Manila, it's around in Pedro Hill. If you know that Pedro Hill, you can go by LRT or train station from, I forgot the name, around in Balintawak or Quezon. Then you can go down to Pedro Hill Station. Then there's a lot of agencies there. As a matter of fact, my original plan was going to Qatar. I want to apply there as a waitress in Qatar. And suddenly, all of a sudden, there was an agency, what do you call this? They are hiring for cashier. So I was thinking, maybe that opportunity was better. So I chose that one and I pay for that. Comment down below if you wanna know the details and the process. And for the detailed process on it, please comment down below if I will create a video about that. I just briefly discuss how I ended up here in Dubai for now. Just a reminder guys, if you have plan to apply here in UAE, not only here in UAE but also for other countries, you just have to check first the agency if it's POEA approved. Okay, be careful guys, because there's a lot of scammers out there right now, just getting money from you, then all of a sudden they will disappear. That's a scammer guys, so let's be careful. And first thing to do is check if it's POEA approved, Philippine Overseas Employment Association approved. Okay, just check that online, and once you've checked that it's legit, or it's a legit agency, then you're going to proceed with all of the process and all. If you're planning to if you were planning to abroad, if you were planning to work here in abroad, yeah, to all of my OFWs here, overseas Filipino workers, if you're planning to go here in abroad, just keep in mind that like when you are already here in other country, just keep in mind that always remember why you get started, and it's really different culture from our own country, so there's a lot of changes. And when you were starting working here and you came from your origin country, there's a lot of adjustments. Your sleep, the food, and the way you think, because you always saw your family before, but now you cannot see them. So you should be strong enough to handle your emotions and be mentally strong and emotionally strong, because it's not that easy to go abroad. If you are fully prepared, then then good for you. And most of all, on top of everything, just always pray and trust in God in everything you do, so it will calm all of your senses. So there's nothing to worry, because God is watching us. Focus on your goals, and there's a lot of distractions. Focus to what really matters: your family, yourself, of course yourself first, your health, next your family, and your goals. And actually, I would like to share with you guys my original plan after I already saved a big amount for 2 years. I will come back in Philippines and have my own business, but all of a sudden, pandemic days, COVID hit that time, so I decided to stay here because all of my savings gone. I need to save for my family. Then my salary was cut. Almost half of my salary was cut during that pandemic. So that's all guys. So if you want to have more video, like you want to learn detail by detail how you will get there here in UAE, please comment down below and I will show you the details. Okay, thank you so much, and that's all for today's vlog.